Plasma Islet, we have Lobe.
On Mech Islet, we have Bogle.
Plant Island, we have Balgard.
Cold Island, we have Deej.
On Air Island, we have Riff.
Water Island, we have Geode.
On Earth Island, we have Reedling.
Sugarbush Island, we have Sugarak.
Gold Island, we have Quibble.
On Ethereal Island, we have Gast.
On Ethereal Workshop, we have Rismuth.
Firehaven, we have Flugel.
On Fire Oasis, we have Wallaby.
On Mythical Island, we got Sporo.
Light Island, we got Chiawa.
On Psychic Island, we got Gloptic.
On Fairy Island, we have Platy.
On Bone Island, we got Pechidna.
Magical Sanctum, we got Enchantling.
On Magical Nexus, we got Wither.
Seasonal Shanty, we have Fidil.
Amber Island, we have Ziggurat.
On Wublin Island, we have Pouk.
On Celestial Island, we got Atmos.
On Tribal Island, we have Kana.
Continent, we have Sousa.
On Party Island, we have T-Rocks.
On Space Island, we have Candelefra.
Cloud Island, we have Tusky.
On Cave Island, we have Norus.
On Wonder Island, we have Strombonen.
And on Starhenge, we have Syncopite.
Thanks for watching. And this is my friend code.
This is my friend code.
Bye.